Go. Whoa! I can tightly turn it. Whoa! Save this wave, get as much out of it as possible. Woo! What is up, fellow janitors? Welcome back to the show. It's a tiny day. Let's get out there and see if we can even ride this stuff. Let's go. We're gonna be surfing over very shallow water, but not in the dangerous way. It's so small. It has to be in shallow water to even think about breaking. Okay, there's one out there. Hopefully it will break over here too. That's rideable, barely. Oh, these look much more rideable. We can try this one. Let's do it, let's try it, let's see what happens. I'm gonna get into it. Yes, I am. Okay. I wouldn't call it doable, but it's doable enough. Woo! Yee! There we go. Oh yeah. Here you go. Come to Mikey. Come to Mikey. Woo! Can't really do much on them, but there's something to do, you know? Ah, the sounds of the sea. Tranquil, relaxing. When you're on that wave and moving, and you hear the texture of the chop lapping against the hull of the board, it just gets you going, you know? Let's see if we can get some ambiance here. Let's try it. Woo! Going right, man. It's a sluggish wave, though. Whoa! And just like that. There we go, there we go. Whoa! I can tightly turn it. Whoa! Save this wave, get as much out of it as possible. Woo! All right. Whoa! Taking off left. Whoa. That one had a little power. Probably the most powerful one all day. And that ain't saying much. Little San Luis ambiance. We're close enough anyway. We're not in San Luis Pass. I should have gone and checked it. But I don't have the sand driving capabilities. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get out of access road 33 here. I might get stuck, which would suck. I need a truck. Ooh. Oh, maybe we'll go left. Ooh. They are ultra mellow. They're beyond mellow today. This is a pool and not a wave pool. This one's gonna stand up. I might be a little late for it, but let's do it anyway. Woo! See if we can get this one. Oh, shit, I saw a fish. Here comes a 1 foot 10 inch. Let's go after it. I'm just joking. I don't know what the size of it is. Whoa. Hopefully a little banger. Woo! Little laugh. Wait. Stress on the word little. Okay, wave, take me on a ride at once. Let's do it. Woo-hoo! All right, I like this. We can do this, we can do this. Whoa! 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 Looking for the swells. Ah, yes, the swells, the waves. Oh, soon you'll get the waves. Soon you'll be knee deep in the waves. And that's good because they're only knee high. Woo, knee deep in the waves. knee deep in knee-high waves. That's why we're knee deep in them. Okay, that was simply pure goofery.